Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. It's wintertime. Y'all know probably the most popular meal in wintertime is chili. Who don't like a big bowl of beef chili? What I'm making today, beef chili. Who doesn't like that in the wintertime? Especially during the playoff time, your Super Bowl party, your playoff party. Some chili, put some Fritos on there, make you a Frito pie, chili cheese dog. Hey. It has all kinds of uses. Very versatile. Just get you a bowl of chili. Like me, I like a little sour cream on mine and cheese and some crackers. And I put some ketchup in it. Don't judge me. But anyway, that's what we making, y'all. Some old school beef chili. Very simple recipe. I got some large ground. Not the small ground. This is the large ground. This stuff is tough. It needs to simmer about an hour. It ain't the small hamburger meat ground. This is the chili ground, which is a bigger ground of meat. I got some white onions, green bell peppers, a little crushed diced tomato, a little rotel tomato for a little heat, chili powder, comino, salt and pepper. Then I got a little beef base here for the beef stock. So anyway, y'all, let's get over here and get this party started. First thing I like to do, y'all, I like to brown my meat off brown my meat off, get it good and brown. Then I'm gonna add my seasonings to this. So opening up my chili powder and my comino, I like to add it to it. It's just like if I add the seasonings right to the meat as it's cooking, it opens them up a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna brown this off, get it good and brown off. Then I'm gonna add my seasoning. Then we're gonna add our vegetables and build it from there. So anyway, it's the first beginning of the old school beef chili. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, I got my meat browned off. Now I'm gonna add my, what we call aromatics. I'll add a little comino to this. And a little chili powder, y'all. You don't want to add too much. You don't want it too red. And I like to do that because it'll kind of open up the chili, the spices. You add it right in the heat. Now we're gonna add our celery and onions to this. Let this cook a little bit. Get that all cooked up in there as well. A little bit more chili powder. Like I say, y'all, I don't want it too. The chili powder is really strong, y'all, so you don't want to add too much. But some people do like it more chillier. What is that a word, chillier? Than others. All right, we're gonna let this cook about 5-6 minutes. Then we're gonna add our tomato products to this. Then we're gonna add our beef stock, which is gonna be water and beef base. And we're gonna let it simmer about an hour, y'all. And then we'll come back and we're gonna have to thicken it up just a little, give that thickness to it. And y'all, this is Texas. We do not put beans in chili. People gonna ask, what are beans? We do not put beans in chili here in the state of Texas. That's un-Texan. That is un-Texan. Beans do not go in chili. You put beans in chili, it's chili beans. It's not chili. So just a little FYI for y'all. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. All right, y'all, you got the celery and onions all cooked in there with that's all flavor building right there, y'all. All flavor building. Now we're gonna put a little salt and pepper in here. Y'all know I like to build the flavors. Then I might have to do a little salt and pepper later, I will. And I want to build some flavor. This is the base of your chili right here. You're going to make sure it's all good and seasoned before I add my liquid to this. See that? Beef all seared off. The bell peppers and onions all seared off in there. You got the comino, a little chili powder. You can put cayenne pepper if you want to if you like a little bit more heat. But I don't. Okay, I'm going to put a little rotel tomatoes in there. Little diced tomatoes. Don't get it all cooked up in here. Like I say, y'all, it's all about building some flavors here. All about building flavor. It's gonna be some meaty chili, y'all. Gonna be some meaty chili here. Okay. Get this out the way. Now we're gonna put our beef stock in here. This is water right now. I'm gonna add a little beef base to this as well, y'all. Just a little hot water we putting in here. Oh yeah, look at that. How pretty that is, y'all. How pretty that is. Okay, now we're gonna add a little beef base to this. Hold on, y'all. Let me get me a spoon here. All right, put a little beef base in there, kind of mix that together in there with that. We're gonna let this simmer, y'all, about an hour. So let's get all this mixed up in there. Then we're gonna come back after simmering an hour. We're gonna check our seasonings, and then we're gonna have to tighten it up with a little roux to give it a thickness. But that's it to making chili, y'all. I make it very simple. I don't put a lot of crazy stuff in it. I don't put a lot of crazy spices in it. Chili is just simple thing. Don't try to be fancy with chili. It's chili. Quit fancying it up. I've been a judge in many cooking chili competitions, y'all, in my life. And man, I've tasted some weird kind of chili, y'all. And I always judge the simplest one the most. That's my taste. And if you have beans in it, I'm gonna judge it, but I'm not gonna give it a good mark. To me, beans don't go in chili. That's my preference as a judge. I don't want no chili sweet. Some people put sweet sugar in it. Tastes like spaghetti sauce. So, yeah, the simplest it is, that's where I judge food. The simpler the better. Most food judges, that's what they do. The simpler the food and it's flavorful, that's what gets good mark. That's my opinion in cooking competition throughout the years. So we're gonna let this simmer, y'all, about an hour. I'll come back and we'll taste the seasoning. We'll tighten this up with a little roux. Old school chili. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Y'all see the chili how it's reduced down that liquid, and this meat is definitely tender, y'all. Look at that nice pot of chili. Now, all I need to do, like I told y'all, I'm gonna add a little roux in here to kind of give it a little thickness, a little body. Oh, it's just too thin for me. So we're gonna thicken it up a little. Turn it down, of course, so it don't pop all on me. That's as thick as I think I want it, y'all. I think that's as thick as I'm gonna want it. Now we're gonna check our seasoning. Let me turn it down a little bit more. I want to cook that roux out of there. I think that's as thick as I want it, y'all. Put a little bit more roux, not much. I don't want it thick. But I don't want it water either. There's a thin line between too thick and too thin. I think this is as thick as I want it. Oh yeah, that's it there, y'all. That is it. Now let me check my seasonings on here. See how my seasonings are. Turn it down a little. Put a little bit more salt and pepper, not much. And that'll do it on that. And I'm gonna let this simmer about 10 more minutes, y'all, to get the roux taste out of there. And we're gonna come back and I'm gonna have a bowl of it and have me a little sour cream on there and cheese. And some Ritz crackers, y'all. And I gotta prove to y'all how good this is. Old school beef chili, y'all. Can't go wrong in the wintertime, right? We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this here, y'all. Good old bowl of chili here. Look at that. I like a little cheese and sour cream in mine. I gotta have me some Ritz crackers with that. Don't hate on my Ritz crackers. Of course, saltines will work too. Look at that, y'all. 14 will work as well. But let's get a spoon of this. See how thick it's thick? Not too thick, not too thin. See that? That's the consistency I like in my chili. See that? Look at that. Going in. Mmm. Y'all. So good. So good. Like I said, I like a little, I'm like Columbo. I like a little ketchup in mine. You ever watch Columbo? That's Columbo's favorite meal is chili. Y'all don't know about Columbo. Take that with a little chili, cheese, sour cream on it. Look at that. Like I say, y'all, this is good on the chili dog, Frito pie. Like I say, just with some Ritz crackers. Chili is so versatile. And go do so many things with it. So, anyway, another wintertime one pot meal here for y'all. So anyway, let me close the video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. No, it's 2024. I get it here for a month though. 2024. Stop wishing, start doing. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.